Alright, test fire of the bug slug. I'm here with one of my co-CEOs, Torn Shaden Rollins. I am the CEO, Terrell Dion Rollins Sr. Today is Friday, May 7th, 2021. This is proof of concept and video footage of bug slug in action. Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and firing. Bug slug still is intact. It failed to push the projectile completely through. As to the reason why, we shall find out. I believe it's because the back was actually sealed to the actual casing. So, we shall reload and try one more time. I don't know why I want to do this on camera though. Hey, look, it's this movie called Great White Hype, right? And when in the boxer ring, he say, the dude tried to dude hit him and stunned him, right? He was like, "You try to embarrass me on TV?" Yeah, he beat the brakes on me too. Okay. Reloading of the bug slug. Third test fire. And 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Still failure to completely release. It did not come out whatsoever. I have a second tester that we will be testing, test firing. Now, all right. Fourth test fire. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's go. Eureka.
So what just happened there was we made paper balls to represent what comes out of the shotgun shell,
which would be 6mm plastic BBs. This is what came out in a nice spray. Let's look closer. Here's one of the pieces of the wadding. Another piece of the wadding. Inside, we have actual paper balls paper balls still in the back. There we go. Picture of the paper balls in the back. Paper balls all around the floor. I believe that was a pretty good test fire. We will be seeing what happened with the other bug slug as to why it failed to release its load, and we will be doing a follow-up video once we find out why this failed to release its load. Thank you.